National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Knox County, Holmes County, and northeast Ohio, southeastern Wayne County, and northeast Ohio until 1:45 a.m. At 12:54 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northeast of Dalton to 21 miles southwest of Glenmont and moving east at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Millersburg, Kilbeek, Mount Eaton. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows.